Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. It's right behind me. Why don't we start right away up front? Starting on the front end, you have factory fog lamps as well as easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. We're going to take a look down the passenger side here. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. You do have a soft top here in the back that you can switch out for the hard top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a full-size spare tire on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Wrangler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.